Hello everyone, I'm Sehej. I joined Savish Tutorials in my 9th grade, initially for physics, but I later on studied mathematics from Sir also. I scored 98 in my mathematics board exam and 94 in my science board exam. So initially, mathematics has always been a hurdle in my life. I could never manage to manage my time during my exam or the lengthy questions. I could never handle them. But the key features about Savish Tutorials that always helped me during my exam were we practiced plenty, like ample of mock tests. We did time-based tests. It helped me manage my time during the exam. I perfectly knew how to manage it. I knew which question I have to give 10 minutes and which question needs just 1 minute. I could solve with short tricks. That helped me a lot during the MCQ portion of the exam. And in physics, I could learn the Lenz's formula. I could do every question. None of my numerical from physics was wrong. Just a little thing I want to add upon to it. He cleared my basics. From 9th, we did foundation for our 11th. In 10th, we did foundation for our 12th. That is also helping me in my current examinations and current studies. So if you want to nail and ace your mathematics board exam and strengthen your physics, I highly recommend Savish Tutorials.